Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to your channel, Prompt 2 Concepts, where education becomes both accessible and engaging. Today, we shall delve into Chapter 14 of Class 6 Science, focusing on water. In this session, we will examine the origins of water, its transformations, and its essential role in sustaining life. Let us begin. What is water? Water constitutes one of Earth's most vital natural resources. All organisms, including humans, animals, and plants, rely on water for survival. It is present in various forms, including rivers, lakes, oceans, ponds, wells, and subterranean sources. States of water. Water manifests in three distinct states: solid state, known as ice-liquid state, referred to simply as water; gaseous state, termed water vapor. The states transform based on temperature variations. For instance, when cooled, water solidifies into ice. When heated, it converts into water vapor. Water cycle. The water cycle represents the continuous circulation of water across the Earth. It consists of three primary stages: evaporation. The sun heats water from rivers, lakes, and oceans, converting it into vapor that ascends into the atmosphere. Condensation. The vapor subsequently cools in the atmosphere, forming minuscule droplets that aggregate to create clouds. Precipitation. Once clouds reach sufficient density, the water descends as rain, snow, or hail back to the Earth. This cycle perpetuates, guaranteeing the ongoing availability of water on our planet. Sources of water. Key sources of water encompass rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, and groundwater. Rain serves as the primary source of fresh water on Earth, while other sources are replenished through precipitation. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting involves the collection and storage of rainwater for subsequent use. This practice aids in conserving water and mitigating shortages. It proves particularly beneficial in regions facing water scarcity. Uses of water. Water serves numerous purposes, including drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, agricultural activities, industrial processes. Life is unsustainable without water. Conservation of water. As water resources are finite, it is imperative to conserve it. Some strategies for water conservation include turning off taps when not in use, repairing leaking pipes, utilizing water efficiently, collecting rainwater, avoiding water wastage. By conserving water, we contribute to environmental protection. Fun activity. Place a bowl of water under the sun for a while. You will observe a decline in the water level, illustrating the process of evaporation. This straightforward activity demonstrates the transformation of water into vapor. Conclusion. Water is crucial for all forms of life. It exists in various states and continuously cycles through the environment. We must utilize water judiciously and refrain from wastefulness. We appreciate your viewership on Prompt 2 Concepts. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward explanations. Join us in the next video, and continue exploring with curiosity.